Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the Flavors of the Month kit for October. The Flavors of the Month comes out every month, includes 4 brand new collections. You'll receive cardstock, patterned paper, and embellishments. You'll also receive a sample of gourmet coffee and access to a recipe card for each one of the collections. So the design team creates a double page layout for each one of the collections and then gives you cutting and assembly instructions and a full color photograph so you can create right along with our talented design team. This month our 4 collections are Echo Park, I Love Halloween, Photoplay, Paper, Heart and Home, Pink Fresh, Days of Splendor, and Simple Stories, Apron Strings. So we have your kitchen, your everyday collections, your home, and Halloween. We also have add-ons available to coordinate with the kit. So you can get more cardstock, more pattern paper, or more embellishments. So be sure to check those out. There'll be links down below and videos linked at the end so you can check out what's available in the add-on kits. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of these collections. Our first collection, I Love Halloween, from Echo Park Paper. You're going to receive 2 sheets of black cardstock. Your patterned paper is this one that has all of the candy on a white background. The back are the stars and the purple, green, and orange and white on the black. This one is called Candy Crash. We have this paper with the bats on the purple and then a stripe, and this one is called Bizarre Bats. Then we have all of the Halloween words: eek, strange, broomstick, candy, pumpkin, boo, terrifying. The back is a green and it has like little rectangles made into squares, just really faint, so it's just a great tone on tone. This one is called Happy Halloween, so perfect for all of your Halloween memories and photos you're going to be taking. The embellishments that you're going to receive are one of the word phrases. So this is one of the puffy stickers, so I got Spooktacular. You're also going to get some little puffy spiders. These will vary, but that's what I got. And then a 4th pack of the frames and the tags. So these will vary as well, but this is just a good representation. So there's some bigger ones down to little smaller little tags you can tuck in and embellish with. So that is I Love Halloween from Echo Park. Our next collection is Heart and Home from Photoplay Paper. This one, I just love the colors. It has a blue and kind of a peachy orange, and then that rust red and the dark navy blue, along with kind of the blue-green here. Beautiful, rich colors. So you're going to receive 2 sheets of craft cardstock. This paper called Fresh Cut Flowers, just gorgeous. The back is a floral design on kind of that rusty red. This one called Linens, which is a polka dot. It's a cream polka dot on dark green. The back is a diagonal stripe. And this one called Flannel, which is a plaid in all of those colors. And the back is a dark navy blue with hearts. I love that these 2 kind of look like B-sides on both sides. That's awesome. I'm a B-side scrapper. So that's your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to receive the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a small scalloped diagonal striped border. And then this one that looks like a sweater. And I'm going to pop this up because this is different. Usually it's scalloped, but it looks like a postage stamp. So hopefully you can see that. Lots of word labels. These are all separate. So they're scalloped circles in the wood grain, in the plaid, and then a circle with the flower. So that's a lot of fun. Pillows, your little kitty in your chair. So lots to scrap about. Your memories of your home and just special places in your home. So that is Heart and Home from Photoplay Paper. Next we have Days of Splendor from Pink Fresh. This collection is just beautiful. So we're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. This paper called Grateful Heart, which has the script writing: start each day with a grateful heart, enjoy this life, What an oh so lovely day, together forever, blessed beyond measure. Love all of the quotes. The back is this beautiful floral print with the little leaf prongs on that kind of aqua blue. This paper, Fall in Love, which is a ledger with all of the big florals over here. This is a perfect paper to do very little on. You can just put a photo, lots of journaling. It would be great for an opening page in an album. You could also cut it apart and use it on multiple pages. You could cut this side over here to use on a page and use the ledger on another page. So many ways that you could use that paper. The back is this beautiful stripe. I just love the colors in this collection. This one, called Simply Magical, again has all of the foliage on it and the different colors. The back is this ombre grid design in the aqua to the blue. So I don't know if the grid will show up, but there's a fake grid on that paper. So again, beautiful, beautiful paper, and that really heavy cardstock that Pink Fresh is known for. One of the things I love about the ScrapRoom kits is when you get a sampling like this, you learn about new companies, and Pink Fresh is one that I have grown to love through the kits that I didn't know as much about before receiving the kits. So for your embellishments, you're going to get a row of enamel dots. These will vary in color, but I got the plum purple ones. You're going to get 3 of the little chipboard circles, so these will vary. Great little embellishments. And then some of the die cuts. So this is a 5th a pack of the die cuts, lots of florals and foliage to decorate your page with. So that is Days of Splendor from Pink Fresh. Our final collection we're going to look at is Apron Strings from Simple Stories, and I was so excited to see this in this month's kit. I love Simple Stories and I love the kitchen theme. So we're going to start with 2 sheets of vanilla cardstock. This paper that's called Live, Love, Eat, which is with those beautiful florals, the aqua, the yellow, the red, and the pink. The back is that aqua print, and it just reminds me, it just screams kitchen. It's just gorgeous. They did a wonderful job on this collection. This paper, called What's for Dinner, reminds me of the old tea towels and stuff. Also reminds me of the Pioneer Woman prints, if you're familiar with those. So beautiful florals in that grid design. The back is a red print with the 3 little dots. This one, called Seasoned with Love, which is mushrooms and florals on that pink background. And the back is a yellow and white stripe. Beautiful colors and patterns. For the embellishments, you're going to get a row of the tags. So this is one of the 12 by 12 papers that has tags on both sides that you can cut apart. So you can either have the plain ones that you can add your journaling and stuff to, or you can have the ones with the words and the florals. Flip it on that side. You're going to get some of the brads, which these are absolutely gorgeous. They will vary, but I will show you the different sizes and the prints. Then you're going to get one of these little chipboard word phrases, and then some of the journal bits. So these are pieces perfect for your journaling. So just roll with it. Appetizers. This that's really cute with the pots and pans in the cookbook and the wood grain scalloped on the bottom. So lots of little bits and pieces to embellish with. So that is Apron Strings from Simple Stories. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Don't forget to check out the add-ons. The links will be coming up right here for the cardstock pattern paper and embellishments. Come over to the Scrapbook Room blog and the Facebook page to join in on the challenges. Check out what everybody else is creating with their kits. Don't forget your recipe cards. And thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.